Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kasenjuk kino hikai jong ko All Primary School Teachers Association. Kala penong ya Kynmaw Burom ya lingku Sngi Khlad ka basis pa nyu pusaw jong Thomas Jones ya bala tep kum kpa gidak tho khasi. Bad ya Jingdap shispa prapoi Snem jong Jingdon ka Lower Primary School harilom khasi jantia. Ya kani jingra khela penong ha umkor urksaw stadium pen orsla ha ka bapalat khat arspa ngot kino hikai school primary government but deficit lower primary kila wan manisya mentalang nakaleng kari khasi. Hagate kasngi usembut menteri rangba ba prestun tensong ulalong kum ukongsan, bad menteri katanat puli puti urakam sangma kum usembut kongsan, nalor general secretary ke AMPSTA uba FC Shulai bad kiwe. Uba tensong haba ajing kran hakani kasngi ulapan kan mau baki nohikai primary kilong kinong san jong namaru ong ba ulong kumni kumba ulong menta kade nakajing ay mensim kinohikai jong haka primary level. Uba tensong ula kularu ba kasorkar kan pelat no ya ke area 80% kabadang sa jong kinohikai school deficit syua ka syuti Christmas.
Kinohikai bi de mapi uba saindur ya kadur jong kamay kalaya. Bat kumju ia kadur jongkari India barokoi. Koblei Syahjangu ia pi kinongkit kam. Jong ka Apsta hapok kajelam jong i Presiden Badon Burom. Bat u General Secretary Badon Burom South Pawai Snem. Ngidai ban ailat ya i harusan po dunas kendai. Ngin celebrate ya ka golden jubilee. Uni de uri urang ba ubang alay kenduk labun keli ki Snem. But udon sisa ka quality. But he deserves much more from all of you. Not only from the government of Pekalaya. Balay itong ya bandon haka commission pitip pa ka rule ka an ka commission de ka way na ka simpriakti jong ka government ka ban yarap lem ban sandur bat ru ban ai ya ka perkhat ka perdaing ka babit ka babiak knang baya kita ki recommendation ka sorga kan pentre kap yaki. Kumudkhot jong kani ke commission ngangej skem. Ba unpet bha yaki aka baro. Na kamenta kalaway jong pi kinohi kai baro.
Nagalang menteri katanat puli puti urakam sangma ulayaro kisap bapher. Baginong hikai primary kidon. Baduloong baginong hikai primary Kilong sandur jong ke jela kari bat ke jait benrio. Kat bau rakam ulapan pau ke jing sngo kemen ba mau kumu khon jukin hikai school primary unlong menteri katanat puli puti. Ulaya ro yeki mati jong Reverend Thomas Jones. Na kabenta ka jait benrio khasi jantia ha ka bau laong bau Thomas Jones bat ki missionary na Siliang Duriau. Ki wan amtang banwan ra ke jinget Kristan reban penlong yeki nong Megalia ki brio ki bakhamba. Urakam ula kular ban pen urlong i Jingdawa ba pher jong kasenjok ki balabu akhmat jong lingbao General Secretary.
On behalf of the Education Department, on this occasion, I would like to bring the greetings from the entire team of the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, and even from the government to all of you. My prayer and our best wishes to all of you on this occasion and the years to come. As we listen to the speech of General Secretary of Apsta, Sir F.C. Sulan, it reminds me my father, because the primary teachers is not new to me. The behavior, the nature, what you did, how you did, how challenge you faced is nothing new to me. Like the exercise has given the huge homework for the government and for us. So I would like to say, as education minister today, we know and I know my homework and my assignment. And in the days to come, I want to assure you, we will not let you down and we will never disappoint you. We will do our best, but for the demands to others, let our honorable chief guests be responsive to all of you. So whatever you have demanded today, I am very much part of it. Because whatever you are going to get, I will also get. Because my wife is also very much part of the Apsta. My wife is also the primary teacher. So therefore, if you get, we will get. So I want to tell you, my dear teachers today, I'm very much part of this department, and all the primary teachers should also feel proud that your son, the primary teacher's son, is the education minister today. So today, on this occasion of 174-year death anniversary of Reverend Thomas Jones, and also the 181 years of existence of commemoration of the Khlad Parade and the establishment of primary school in Hill State, let us remind ourselves the objective and the vision that our Wellness Missionary has set for us. My friends, if you go back to the history of Reverend Thomas was here in the castles just not for many years. He was just 9 years, if I'm not wrong. He landed here.
The central government to revive the old pension scheme, what we will know as the family pension. And in our state and to the state, we demand for payment of our area DA, sir. As our advisor just now said that our Deputy Chief Minister will give us some assurance, not some, but to my expectation is 100% assurance. And to the Education Minister, on 30th June 2023, we have the meeting by our Association Apsta, and we have placed to him 9 charters of demand, which I am not going to demand all that 9 chapters of demands. But my demands today is to kindly serve 3 of you who are represent the government here will give us the assurance that the pending area revised pay of 2017 of the last installment at the rate of 25% from the 15 SDSEO in the state of Meghalaya amount to rupees 12 crore 84 lakhs 84,000. Just imagine, sir, the government employee, they have already drawn the revised pay of 2017 in full installment. while keeping pending for extra 6 years for the deficit school teachers. What is the difference between the government and the deficit? There is no difference. Why delay? We met the former education minister. I don't want to mention his name. Just give yes, we'll look. But looking, he's no more our education minister. And I do hope that the present education minister, with the inspiration of the deputy chief minister here, will give us the assurance by the first week of December, the 25% pending area to Shillong municipal is 6 crore, total to 15. SDSU, as I told you, 12 crore, 84 lakhs, 84,000 exactly. I have my calculation and I have hand over also a copy to all of them, 3 numbers here, present here, that they will take the initiative to do and help the deficit school teachers. In my leadership, sir, I'm always there to work and cooperate with the education department. Not like others organizations. Once they demand and they go to the street, sitting, demonstrate days and nights. We are not that type of organization. Our Apsta is a well-organized organization, well-trained and be patient. Sir, to present here that I think, sir, when Education Minister will speak and Deputy Chief Minister, kindly give this assurance. By the first week of December, all the spending area DA of 25% will be cleared by the state government. Compared to other expenditures, it is nothing of 12 crore. But for others demands, sir, we are going to discuss what action will be taken. I love you teachers, primary teachers,